You don't want to use your fingers necessarily, but my fingers are clean. I checked them.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Clyde Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Which camera do we look at?
Why didn't you say welcome to Brothers Bistro? I'm just wondering.
Because I was distracted by all the cameras.
I thought with the new year, the least you could do for me for Christmas
Get you a
is to
new
get
uniform?
me a new uniform.
We got one. Ready?
Ready? Wow! Holy cow! You asked me, you shall receive.
I like it, buddy.
Santa brought us a new gift. Look at that, #1 dad. You can't even wear that.
Taste my sausage.
What? Just try your sausage, you loser. All right, we are back for the new year. We are super happy to be here.
We are bringing
My
it.
brother is just cracking the whip like normal, and we have a great recipe for you.
We do. It's kind of intended to be holiday leftovers. So we're going to be making a shepherd's pie, healthy style.
Right. Okay, I can't wait to see this one. I'm sure you've got something in store for
It's
us.
super easy, super fast. It's going to taste delicious.
Well, that meets our criteria. You know, it sounded a lot more complicated than it is, buddy. Hey, but I got my uni back.
You got your uni back because you look better in black.
Yeah.
It's a slimming color.
That orange color was kind of scaring me. It looked like a stoplight.
Or a pumpkin.
Or a pumpkin, yeah.
Okay, so here's our ingredients. It's not too bad. We got mashed cauliflower, but we know because we've tried to use the potato masher to mash cauliflower. This is just rice cauliflower, right?
What can you say?
It's a loser. Yeah, it's a loser for sure. So we're going to put this in a food processor, and we're going to show you that when it comes time to
and
it.
my brother had this genius idea. It's going in the Ninja.
Yeah, going in the Ninja. So, and we got some eggs we're going to add in, and we got some salt, and we got some, what's that called? Parsley, sage, and thyme? Parsley. And we got the mozzarella, low-fat mozzarella kind of cheese. And then we got our turkey mixture.
Right. So the turkey, I'm going to take this, I'm going to slice it up into, it called for tenderloins, but my bro got a whole breast.
Dude, they're tenderloins. That's what it said on the package.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a big tenderloin. So we like them big, though.
Right, we do.
So we're going to cut it up. We're going to put it in there with the mushrooms. And we're going to brown it up and get it all cooked all the way through. And then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients to make this little, I don't know.
It's a shepherd's pie.
Okay, to make this shepherd's pie.
Yeah. Okay, and when we come back, we're going to show you, we're going to start with the cauliflower because it's going to take 30 minutes in the oven to kind of cook down or whatever and get it soft enough so that we can puree it. I don't know, we needed 5 cups. Did we decide how many cups?
It's 6
these
cups. It's a cup and a half.
were? It's 3/4 of a cup, and there's 4 servings.
Right, that's a cup and a half. Or
No,
3
it's
cups.
3
cups.
And
And
this
we're
will be
just-
6 cups, so a little less than this one. See how precise our measurements are? And now, we're gonna put this bad boy in the oven, just like this, till it gets golden brown.
No timer?
450
I missed the timer.
30 minutes. Put the timer on for 30 minutes. Makes you feel better.
All right, here we go. It's going in. 30 minutes. Timer.
We're cutting up some turkey, baby.
Okay, but first, I've got to dispel a rumor. I heard little rumblings on the internet.
Oh, it wasn't rumbling.
Saying-
They were coming out of the woodwork, buddy. You were
Saying
scraping
that
the bottom of the hex
you
pan
can't, that
with
you
metal
can't
spoons.
you can't cook in a non-stick pan
He knows how
with a
he just
metal
keeps
thing.
talking over me. He doesn't care. He just keeps talking
But
over
if you look it up, the HexClad. Are you listening,
Just keep
HexClad?
talking. They'll hear you. Just keep
We're
talking.
looking for an endorsement deal. The HexClad, they pride themselves as you can cook with a metal utensil.
I'm gonna someone do a fact check.
Fact check me on that. HexClad, H-E-X.
H-E-X? Is that how you spell that?
L-C-L-A-D. HexClad.
Spelling is not your forte.
So, we're gonna put our turkey cut up in thin slices, a couple of tablespoons of water, and some mushrooms. So I'm gonna elbow my brother out of the way,
why don't you move that over?
which isn't what differently than I normally do, because he usually watches me do the work.
Well,
And then we're cutting this up. See how
we
easy
both
that
know
is?
I'm better at directing traffic than I am actually doing the work.
And get it all cooked all the way through. It said cooked all the way through, and when the mushrooms are going to be in there with it, and a little bit, a tish of water.
2 tablespoons. Here, let me hand that. Let me help you. It doubles as a shield.
And then look, kid.
Oh wow, you got a little prep sink. Too bad you couldn't measure the
2
water.
tablespoons. We got it. We're ready to go. Give me my mushrooms.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to the stove, people. My brother hates it when I do that.
Shake it like that. That's what we love. That. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna let this thing cook up. We'll come back here when it's browned up, right?
Yeah, and all the while our cauliflower's cooking, right? So it's doing its thing. This is gonna get brown, and then we're gonna add in our other ingredients and get it all. Right. That's the innards for the shepherd's pie.
Yeah, exactly.
Here's our turkey. It's all cooked up.
Here, I'll hand you the ingredients. Here, a little paprika.
Look at that! I got a non-stick thing for my hex cloud.
Yeah, I noticed that. Salt. A little Worcestershire. Say that too fast.
Worcestershire.
And then you can use that little spatula you got, get that sour cream out, and mix it all together.
Yeah, we don't claim to be cooks. We're learning right alongside of you guys. So if you find something out, let a brother know. Help a brother out. Let him know. Okay, so then I'm supposed to just
Mix it.
Mix it
Mix
together.
it, bro.
We're not
Mix it
cooking
good.
it. We're done kind of cooking it. We're just going to mix it up and get it all the sauciness.
Yeah. Put it in the casserole pan. Looking good, buddy.
Okay, we got it, and we're going to
Give
spread
me
it
the
out.
pan here. I'll take the pan from
We're
you.
going to spread it out a little bit because what's going on top of here is our rice cauliflower that we've got all ground up, right? All food processed.
Right. Bro's coming out with the cauliflower. We're supposed to let it cool for a minute, so let's pretend like we've been waiting for it to cool. And it's brown, a little bit brown on the top. Ooh. You might be able to get all of it in one
Zhuzher?
one zhuzher. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on this bad boy. We can get it on without cross-threading it.
No liquid or nothing, huh?
No liquid. Wow. It zhuzhed the stuff that was right down there by the blades.
Yeah.
It said food processor, so we went a little off-road with the Ninja. Round 2.
Second zhuzh. Okay, well, still better. It zhuzhed a little more, but not quite enough.
Not quite enough.
Might work better with a food processor. What do you think?
It's a little late for that. How's that look? Are we good to go, or do we give it one more zhuzh?
Yeah, give it another zhuzh. But that did help. I think the little spoonage in between. But maybe, if anybody out there tries it, try it with a food processor. Maybe it'll work better.
We're gonna plate this.
Did you hear it?
No.
I didn't.
Now I heard it. Wow! Wow!
Oh, it's coming out.
Okay. I'll wait right here.
Have you ever seen such a beautiful shepherd's pie?
Wow! Look at that. That looks good, baby. That looks good. Okay, so here's how this serves 4. So we're gonna basically just split it down the middle. Split it down the middle.
Ooh, it's cheesy. Cheese it up.
It's cheesy.
Okay, buddy, let's try it.
Do it. What do you think?
Well,
It's hot.
yeah. It's mushroomy. I think,
Cheesy.
yeah, we did a really good job with the cauliflower.
Yeah, I think the food processor, we got to get better acclimated with the food processor because this turned out really good. The Ninja wasn't a great choice. I think a regular food processor would have done a better job, but we made it work, and this tastes yummy. With that,
Very Bistro.
out.